my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Free wouldn't be Nakachira say and ne anapai. Lawyer Eunice Aji Akunya from BWF Solicitors. Yet Jumadiano Ebeshasu, Siseya and Tentem near Pimpia and Yama Eddie Akonanim. Lawyer Eunice, me pacho, what it menka ana. Lawyer Eunice, me pacho, what it menka ana. Lawyer Eunice, what it menka ana.
Hello, Pastor. Pastor, what's your name?
Me pacho, I Auntie Eunice me tewonka.
Okay, yeah, that's it. After the men, so they look right.
Auntie Eunice. Hello, Auntie Eunice.
Hello, Pastor. Pastor, me say.
Hello, Lawyer Eunice.
Sister, me say, on to me there.
Lawyer Eunice, how to menka?
Pastor, me say, now what to me there?
Any anapai, Mammy Sama, Aqua Baby, Emra, Rainbow Radio International. So, Sania, Anopabia, Yawa Debia, Yano, Mafio Papa. I then asked me to quite a crane was a son, and I say,
Miss Mafio, pa. Oh, Mrs. Sabri.
Let me who look different, Miss Anna say.
Yeah, Diane, yes.
Pacho, any fire quay, and a pay one at you for 8 you.
You, it's a for Madame Master and the day, my Becca and Sa, me hope saying a mad Yamadum, winning now, me wishing winning now, so a fish pa. Just a few birthday messages I want to send out and see your colleague Deborah Edu who did the birthday and dry yame and share na oma and consenting and DNA what we call wisdom. And lawyer Richard so Mrs. Nana we're doing Kruma so yeah we show very happy birthday. We're doing birthday Tuesday, and so we are praying for God to grant you more of His grace and more of His good health, and that everything that you do will prosper. Into yeah we should be within the birthday this week and after this month. A happy birthday. As Prophet Khan, you know, we'll just go straight into your topic for today. Now, at least, yeah, what updates no, yeah, the Baba program no every year. And see, as we are looking at the end of the year, my bumpire said, "Obia so boko." Our main topic for today, regards to yeah. Children into say opesa application Emma Wobana dream say of course akola papa no enye settled e kroma and also onye British, but may then I register my ban because time na may wo akola no na nipa na magare no na ono ankasa no obi a ebia oye EU national we are a settlement ever from her, and I say Obia Ukra indefinite leave to remain ever from her. But in terms of the British Nationality Act, no, then Eka Efa and Kola mo person will register as British, and of course, Yabesha in Brandimu in regards to Senya Ubetumi I register Akola. Yenya yenim say usually uwo krom hana akola ne papa na sa ne mame settled and answer obia okra afebo. It means that there's no restrictions on their leave. In Sani Pano, Sani Papa and answer ne mame ekra afebo and answer omukra British citizenship. Into omukase red book, but say akodane blue book into red book biom into say akola ne papa and answer ne mame ekra citizenship and say settled status. Usually by the time akola no yabe wono no now and also I automatically British by way of section 1 of your British Nationality Act. Into say your work no now person your book man to me I book no amano straight away because you're automatically British. And of course say wa we awofo no say ebia na onni krom ha na awokwo akola no ewo Ghana na say awokwo akola no outside of the UK na opese oye book ni mana as long as you can show say time na wo akola no now why British and na say why settled ewo krom ha nti they would also be automatically British and akola na obe wono no ono so sa no obenya British citizenship. Into say you akola no 2006 and we settle status and I say British citizenship 2005 now when him say akola no you automatically British. But say akola no na of course when ya unsanka sa afebono and I say unsanka wo British book no and of course no only settle status and I say na only afebono. Then of course say akola no na akola no by the time ubenya wo British citizenship and I say wo settle status no na akola no unya 18 dia ono so sa no so betumi I register as a British citizen. Into of course say you can say obetumi I register it means say obetumi I application I'm Secretary of State no I'm no sa British citizenship into no sano Secretary of State of the Home Office and I decided to akola way to me I'm no British citizenship and no sano of course say register akola no usually by way of section 1.3 of your British Nationality Act no na ka say because afe na we yan settle status and I say afe na also obey your British book we yan settle status that in afe na obey your British book so register akola no so as British into of course time na wo akola na we yan settle status and so say yema akola no sa ne book na yes of course to me I register akola no anyone can so naturalize ya citizenship regarding the fact that of course to me meet requirements. But as long as one can know to me actually say when you settle status no na of course because akola no nti of akola na wawona say oye under the age of 18 and I said that's so minor nti ono so sa no so ebenya ne British citizenship. It's almost the certificate ne ba na and also sa no to me I register akola no. Of course say ka say ma wo akola no ne papa enye settled and I said ne mama enye settled and na yen so yen ni British book ni bi be den akola na ye British krom ha de yenim say wo eba wo hanoma enye automatically British because enti America we kwakwo akola wa America almost say India akola no say you wo krom ha India you're automatically American krom ha enti sa untumi nka say akola no you're automatically British because wo no krom ha enti say ubetumi a kyerem kwa de say akola no you no krom ha of course the first 10 years of your life no watina krom ha and of course say we took crampo na time no obey any application no within that last 12 months no on more than 90 days into your person register akola no as British most times no of course because I will follow any asset na into akola no crampo on da into akola no ever krom ha into of course the will register akola na omo person who say sa first 10 years of their life no or the atena krom happen and see of course I say what share say ne red book yet true ne inoculations ne height ne weight bibia ewo ha say for the first 2 years and answer for the first 3 years of their life no na me ne appointments ne bibia. And then of course when it comes to akola no all school no to me aje nursery letters to me aje school letters to me aje letters from GP because of course register akola no with GP timer ordinary call inoculations ne nkeka ho no. Then of course you have to also be able to show say abia because akola no other so school into me say of course akola no akosua bedru ne age na make us a me application no. And say abia we application at the age of 10 and answer we application no we did 11 and not 12 and not 13. And no, you are trying to show say for the first 10 years, what's not chrome happen in say under section 1.4 no, or say of course because akola no what's not chrome ha for that 10-year period ninti akola no wabeye obia ye can say UK chrome ha abeye ni fie and I say abeye ni permanent home inti the intention is say obetina a chrome ha and no sano so na Secretary of State no so ama ho kwan say akola no ebetumi aye British inti now aye registration form ne bibia ama akola no. Another way I obetumi I register akola no as British is if for instance bia akola no ye ka say akola no ya wo no wokrom ha na say ye wo no wokrom ha but wo abofo no we be ya settled status and of course all dreams that wo bana ordinary bano ono so sa no ebetumi enya British book ewo krom ha says akola no so under the age of 18 now of course there are certain factors home office for ebe share in regards to akola na or say omo register no as British. Firstly, omo share the fact says akola no so ewo indefinite leave na in say bia ya wo krom ha but wo indefinite leave ewo krom ha in say akola no wo indefinite leave or chrome ha. Ni parents were indefinite leave and I say ni parents were settled status and I say ni parents were British book chrome ha na or when you are so ni siblings and I say ni brothers and sisters no almost say British and I say almost so cry indefinite say akola no bia we did under 13 there and of course Mombeka say and then from share the fact say the family ne obi biara akola nim ebia omo krom ha omo was settled status akola no so ko school ha bibia kire say akola no ebetina krom ha inti eba ne sadia then of course o ka say akola no ye betumi a register no. Say yeah, can of course say akola na cancer na or register no. Say we did above the age of 13 there, then the residence requirements comes in. Say of course akola we did over the age of 13 because bia watna chrome ha for more than 2 years. Yenim say or per se or UK chrome ha ni chrome inti so per se or UK chrome ha ni chrome there and yeah. Ne mami anase ne papa British anase omo ye settled there and ye pese ye ma akola no so enya ne British book anase ye pese ama akola no so enya ne British citizenship ewo krom ha nti no san no so o register akola no ama akola no enya ne certificate so ye British na wetumi apply for ne British book no so and so usually in such cases say car registration Secretary of State no and usually almost star 2 minutes say akola no so able to me enya British citizenship ewo krom ha but more so no say kase bia wa akola ewo krom ha na yen kan say wo pese wo ye won krata ewo krom ha na of course unim say inyama anya so good with abia wonu kuna waware and of course because inyama anya so good and I say muntem no ensheda anya nti o ka say okay say me kunu jamia then na metumi aye afa me nkrata ho and I say then na metumi aye afa me live to remain me det na krom ha. And then of course when you are thinking about those things the next thing I over can say metumi age na me ba no so ana say metumi age na ye ba na ya wono na yetumi enya nkrata na say metumi ede eno no enya me 2.5 ewo krom ha na. And in most cases bia say akola no a wa wono no enye wukunu ba then you're asking the question now, then I to me, I hear afa and no because ebia enye me kunu no ba nti say enye me kunu no ba dia ende na it means to me en fa akola no enye nkrata no because akola no papa different from me kunu na maware no. And in most cases, of course, na British force so any say enye akola no fault say awofo no akotwe mpena na omo wo akola na omo pese akola no so ebeye akola ye friend bastard child into no sano na ye ka say most of those children who would have been born out of wedlock and I say would have been born because now my parents no and worry you know then that would have affected them. But Parliament hunyasa no ene omoka say yampese nkwala no ebe yet to say because omo for no akodi boni nti omo so omo ye bastard children nti ye bibi emfa ho. And of course just in 2018 no Parliament no the section 59A of the British Nationality Act no shemu to make sure say the fact that of course wawo na wonu kunu ebia montema tete monhye da enye divorce nti woni obi ena akowo na of course sa akola no enye wukunu ba na say enye nipa na waware no ne ba nti then I'll be to me ayafa ho. And in regards to section 59A of the British Nationality Act no say ye ka say obi akola of sa nipa na waware no na it means say of course na sa akola no obi to me a register and I say ye be to me aka say akola no akola of sa papa na waware no inti say ye ka say akola no sa papa na waware ne ba na it means say of course regardless of whether akola papa na ewo birth certificate so kwejo na wukunu so de Mr. Samoa even though Mr. Kwejo ena ewo birth certificate so Mr. Samoa no akola papa by way of embrano because of the fact say omon pese sa akola no ebeye bastard child nisi ebege kan say sa akola no so Mr. Samoa eba inti say Mr. Samoa ba na Mr. Samoa ebia owo afebo indefinite leave to remain and I say owo kind of EU settled status say kano and usually of course settled status now under your EU settlement scheme no some workers say omo here obi with settled status now they will also want to look and see if signing panels so now previously under your regulation 2016 no so when your permanent residence ever come here it means say why you juma will come here assign so actually say of course what's now come here for a continuous period of 5 years under your EU settlement scheme the only requirement is say we bet to me actually say what's now for a continuous period of 5 years but so uba British in brand new person who says signing panel so say our permanent residence will come here why ye juma at na for a continuous period of 5 years into na omode amano no into say wo ka say wo kunu no wenya sa settled status and I say wenya sa indefinite leave to remain and there of course omo person who say then sa kola na wo say wo wa no say kojoba na at the time ware no na Mr. Samoa na ware no there and ye be hu say Mr. Samoa ba and in most applications no say Mr. Samoa ba na Mr. Samoa edi eni so krampo sorry any your birth certificate no so krampo omo hu say and because of it to me actually by way of marriage certificate say me ware Mr. Samoa let's say 2001 Mr. Samoa me nene wo ebia akola baako ena December yentem nti 2006 no na ye jaye yenye divorce yenye hwe okotena ne baby me so me kotena me baby ena me so me hu obi foforo a me den me mawo akole and of course na onye divorce it means that now you are still married to Mr. Samoa and say okoye sa registration na oka say yeah Mr. Samoa edin any sa birth set no so but start time no na ye me Mr. Samoa and I aware and I yen to me interest of course Mr. Asamoah by the law provides that for you in say brano and interest akola papa Mr. Asamoah and yet there would be birth set no so and then of course say Mr. Asamoah ebia we yan settled status ebia with the British book and no say say Mr. Asamoah was settled status and I say Mr. Asamoah was in the British book and me kase akole so say ono so ebenya British citizenship ewo krom ha and also say no say omo hwem say provide o marriage certificate say Mr. Asamoah wo kase when settled status and they so provided the fact that na ono so was settled status and I said na ono so ekra British book answer na omo way to me ahwem ama akola no so ne British citizenship. Of course, only nipa krono eni ho ebeye den na way to me I provide this in my way. And it will relate to the fact say ebia say wo ka say Mr. Asamoah obi a okra British book there. Usually say wo ni din and then date of birth. Omo be to me so ahwe mo system no so. Because in most cases to me enya na consent. Oh yeah application via for akola bisa for both parents consent but in a case like this where to me enya Mr. Asamoah consent because enya onono ena onene wo sa akola no then of course you need to provide them with reasons the NCA to me enya consent emma Mr. Asamoah. And if you are saying say na sad time na mumie no any what there then of course now I provide the evidence that I'm a sister them say copy of AB and the old passport no na me wo and I say copy of the old ID pen na me wo and see we pen na me to me ediama me to me dia chere say AB no or obia or British book and I say or indefinite leave to remain e wo krom ha and say no sano because a copy pen na me to me enya nti yeni hobium mean to me enya na consent for akola no nti of course na say mo hwem na mo to me de nkrata no so ema me because enya ade a obesign ena enya ade a so a obepene so but of course be one copy see nti me the copies na ema mo senya mo betumi so ama me bano enya ne citizenship so ewo krom ha. And in most cases, of course, uwe to me actually inyema we dia. Then of course they will go ahead to grant akolano ne British citizenship and answer ne British passport ewo krom ha. And no son of course the we mamia wo pesa wo gina akolano so a wo pesa we application ewo krom ha. Na we to me agina and also edinya wo 2.5 na wo pesa unya obetumi de atna anansa obetumi de aye adwuma anansa obetumi de etukwan ewo krom ha. So in regards to that area of law so it helps in terms of inkolano but it also helps in terms of parents as well umpese ominya asetna ewo krom ha. Inti prophet meja no ha na yetumi atwa so because one brain no end also. Ampa.
And therefore, you will 6 minutes. You was 6 minutes. And then you move punch and it was 6 minutes. Maybe telephone line who was in Bisa. Bisa, my lawyer, 0208 133 4646 0208 1334646 and then we'll find them at the end of America 2 and that's 0208 133 1134 and that's 0777 1950 989. Now, when someone will be saying now, and then I yet after 3 will be the car and say, I move on to me. Oh, but I used to say, yeah, Eunice now, when someone open set will be son and then what cancer, or say, in your say, who would need crack and now we will automatic, Obama, or they British, David, and this are, or some country say, aha, and yet America, 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 aha, yet America, and Sherman, America. America. Hello, me Pacho, me watching. I'm on good morning. Although you me Pacho lawyer, Eunice 8 you was in no mommy.
But make a withdraw application, but referees for signature view. Can I use the old one that I collected from them, please?
In regards to the referees, no, oh yeah, form no online now. Forms no yeah different. Into meanings, oh yeah, paper form first time and answer oh yeah.
Me online one, into mature referees, then you be and I'm more sign a trail.
How long ago was this? Was it over 6 months?
3 months.
Oh,
3
okay.
months ago.
Oh, 9 months there. Even picture no crown for me catch you.
3 months. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So yeah, 3 months there. Then of course you can use the same one, even because of the facial image. No, usually they want something within the last 6 months.
Okay,
yeah, and that's in hell.
Although you will also get the last got not to be mera, ye won't say my come. Hello, me Pacho, me watching. I'm a papa, I bet my diesel. I can't 3 minutes.
Oh, lawyer, me Pacho, also, perfect, Pacho, second to me, make the real time. Pacho, lawyer, second question in my Madame Baby, Pacho, or Mr. Man, or Ghana.
Okay.
Pacho, Bisa, lawyer 80.
Yes. Yeah, me Pacho, nothing me say. Also, I apply, sorry, visa. Now, sorry, visa, not also apply, no. Also, or about 1 month, also, dependent. And I'm here, I'm not there 1 month here, no, for your investment, but rather than 1 year there. But I'm here, no, for your investment, no. That's what I'm unfortunately, no. So I'm in the shape in there 1 year, so there 3 days here, no, for your investment. And so the council said, yeah, I find I'm here to, or the, I find my manager certificate, or the council, or the, I find a better certificate, one. A real problem, and
They went visa now, yeah. Oh, casa, oh yeah.
Sorry.
Tourist visa into Oba visit.
Yes, but I'm sorry.
Okay, into so Oba visit there, then of course, all your application no with or no ne akolane pe. So akolane mami film na opese okase ne mami film na nsenya. Then or the death certificate no so be can say akolane mami film na nsenya, but on na akolane omo be di holidays ewo krom ha into he will have to show evidence say oba sign nechi, which means that so or yeah juma so
like but one of the duty but no because or the just said no or the council said I can't hear ma but I find on a member on one over.
Oh, so no kwana eba there that he doesn't need to add the death certificate. Na me dreams on near kolano and eba holidays. Into say no kwana over there, then he doesn't need to add the death certificate because almost here bibi I bet say oba sign echi into akola ni birth set no mum na or the bet say of course akola we ebia oya meba assume we and of course say meba na obi ani ho awetumi ahwe no, especially I don't know the age of akola no, so that might also within here 1 year.
1 year.
Okay. Okay, so in that case, then of course, yeah, ka say akolano, yeah, she say akolano betumi, ene minim say ne parents and also obi na betumi ahwe akolano amana. That's also a bit tricky. So akolano the 1 year na o ka say o de akolano age obi a, they are also not sure say oba sign with chi ababag because oja akolano ho crampa obi wo ha obetumi ahwe akolano. But in regards to the application, ABI, he might stand a chance if he is coming with Akolano. So maybe he should try and do the application with Akolano instead of Ononkwa.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and see, I hope that helps. And I say, so person on your further information, so I'll bet me a friend.
Because no Ghana because no, you say, a job can say, a family man, no matter if it's not debt set, and you just say, or kind of the debt set account level. Into the business area, a big problem.
So, or the Akolano account when they are and they won't be for death certificate, definitely.
Deaf.
Inti ne mama ewu inti death certificate.
Nia o tire ni se odi Akolano ka ho abadia ene na death certificate na hu hia ba se won fa Akolano nka ho madia ene there is no need for the death certificate inti simple why you dama so
Okay you that
me da asi nya me insura
ma how you mention that
mamela ya we dey bacho fa won se mo itwa to obre mi
Patricio. Prophet, why you are there, Panyami? Inshallah. It's here for you better also on Facebook so into say oh asembisa na se bibisa over to me any questions about Facebook so na yet to me and then of course you better to me my updates no so later on say your prophet a pentemnity major your details your BWF Solicitors 4th floor of Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so London. Your postcode near N154NP. Into N154NP. Your office telephone number is 0208 493 7340. Into 0208 493 7340. You be a Monday to Friday into so offering from the 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. On Saturday. So person looking for consultations so you will have. So person looking for telephone consultations so you will have. Into of course offering na yetumi enya mbwanso ama. Prophet nyame enka ho na onhira obrere.
Me da was sick, mommy. I mean, papa. Sunday me by two. Your Christmas party.
Oh, okay. Patricio.
10 o'clock.
Patricio.
When you need your main check, me da sick.
Me da sick. Ya me sure.
Times have changed. Social distancing affected behavior. Coronavirus and some of them. But the laws are in place. Immigration issues and COVID here. New laws and changes every day. Seven immigration and BWF Solicitors and your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors.
And see your Facebook viewers, YouTube viewers, and then conform with saying your BW radio so yet was so Facebook so as in bisa move to me ebisa your studio lines no so you bet to me you say no so sa na yet to me elma ama telephone so afre line no so na at least move to me ebisa omonsem no my mention studio number no crampo. Okay, into number is 0208 123 1016. Into your studio number is 0208 123 1016. Into person mo fresh studio line no so move to me a fresh studio line no so and as person mo bisa yɛbɛtumi so ebisa ɛwɔ Facebook live ɛso. Okay, into Mabel say, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Micham Mabel, Nyame Enshira Mabel. And now, of course, Mr. Nana, Miss Nana Makonto, very, very good sharer. Good morning, Lawyer Eunice and Prophet. Nyame Enshira Nana Makonto. Mema Miankasa Helena, also good morning, watching from Croydon. Stay blessed. Yeah, well, gifty, it's Yama. Say good morning, Lawyer Eunice. Gifty, Yamisha. Good morning. It's of course, I die Monunkum. Good morning, Lawyer Eunice. What are the requirements and expenses if you want to bring your children from Ghana to the UK? And so, what are the requirements and expenses if you want to bring your children from Ghana to the UK? In regards to one kasa who person one day umbaneba, it depends. In say who leave to remain, the requirements will be different. So also a febona and I say indefinite leave to remain and as a settled status or some requirements no so different. And so let's look at Obia War leave to remain and I say Obia War 2.5 years. Now a person would then buy a free Ghana eba. Requirements near then. Into of course the okra 2.5 nibi na or akwala with the in 0 to 17 into akwala near under the age of 18. Now opesa with the akwala na eba krom ha. Then you have to be able to show say akwala na opesa with the eba krom ha no. Of course, who are your parents now what's UK krom ha. Either say also responsibility for sa akwala no. And I say, oh, Trell say, akola no, ne ma mia ocean of fee, and I say, papa na ocean of fee, we free. And see, menkwane akola ne awofa maka. And see, me pese mema case worker who say, because ne papa na say ne ma me on ne wo efie no efree nti ese me na me kofa akola ne ba na akola no ebetumi atena me nchen. And I say, oh, I say, I will form me no, muti krum ha, inti mumie no, mukra 2.5 nibi, inti because mukra 2.5 nibi inti, mupese muma mobano, ebe kamunsa, ewo krum ha. And I say, of course, sa akolano so because of the fact say, onoso sano, ne mami anasa ne papa, ebia onoso eba krum ha bi, inti. Wo for na wo hwe akola no yen can say of course ne yere na wo kase ordinary eba no ono so ede akola no so ebeba nti wo ye application no for omame ene akola no abeka wonsa ewo koma nti say sa na said there then of course then you have to be able to show these requirements and then of course pay the application fee. It's application fee, no. Usually say, oh yeah, application no for akolana. Omoje application fee, no. After you've submitted, it's about £1,526. But because omo no dollars means charge out rates for banks no so different. By the time over to your canona over 1,600 and something pounds. But so of course, akolano over because of the 2.5 ninti. So omo de inkrata ne mana, omo be send the email ne say omo pese akolano tia IHS and I say immigration health surcharge. Into say akolano say omo design link ne send na now with tia ne immigration health surcharge na with to me enya ne visa ewo ne book no. Usually almost 30-day virginate ewo passport na akolano ede enono aba. Say akolano nya ne virginate na within that 30 days no say otumira UK krom ha. Say akolana wofo no yen ka ne say ebia ne papa a wo te krom ha na say ne mama wo te krom ha wo indefinite leave to remain. Inti because ne papa na say ne mama wo indefinite leave to remain inti ono so sta no so ewo start to me say obese ne ba no beje no wo krom ha nti obese ode ne ba we dey under 18 no ebe kan nsa wo krom ha. Then they have to show say omo ne parents with sole responsibility omo nkwa na omo hwa akola no ebia amame na say papa no o hwa akola no wo fie wa we ja akola no ho na ebia family members and asa adamfo na ehwe akola no na sitine mu nye nti of course because omo boa parents no work room ha nti parents no work room ha no usually no so manisika ema akola no ne didie mu ne bibie mu school fees ne fact say ebia obe ko hospital no so ohwe bibia ema akola no se akola no eko school krampo na so offer school honom ehwe se akola no waba school ana akola no ye ne work ana akola no ye ne homework sa yema we ni na because sa parents na what say chrome ha and ehwe ni na nti or chere say or was our sole responsibility no for akola no and also sa no say o chere say ebia me mami ana say ne akola ne papa na ote efie no nso we film there then of course with the death certificate no be count to show say akola ne mami ana say ne papa efrim intina opesa akola no ebe count sa e wo krom ha. Then of course you also have to be able to show say ebia if awofo no mumie no na moti krom ha mukra indefinite leave to remain e wo krom ha so a eno so sa no because moti UK krom ha mo indefinite leave no mo pese akola no so ebe come on sa e wo krom ha. And I say oh chere say because of akola no circumstances nti there are compelling factors and I say compelling circumstances which means that akola no so wamba ha na sitinem na ote e Ghana honom no enye nti ebetumi ahame akola no eno no sa no say o chere sa compelling and compassionate factors na o ka say ebia akola ne mame anasa papa yesa ohwe no ontumi hwe no nkofo na omo hwe no krampo no omo enhye da emfi akola no nti akola no nko school akola no ondidiye akola no ensem bebre o chere say ebia mekoye last year na say last 2 years no say na meko hu akola no eye me atete nti me pese mushrim pictures enie school na me de ne kokrampo no omo say omo try say omo de akola no ebeye classes nkakra akola no krampo mba school krampo na waye classes nti omo try letter say ni say enen omo de amawo ana say akola no krampo oyare serious obi enu ho betumi ahwe akola no me kwa na metumi ahwe no nti because of senya insem no etien nti me pese akola no obenka mensa ewo ekrom ha doctors letters ni photographs ni affidavit na ewo ni pakona obwa me kakra se metumi ahwe akola no so eni nti mompamocho bebre monhwe sa circumstances na akola netim no na montumi ema akola no nsa beka me ewo krom ha nti sa yema we etumi bua in regards to making sure say you are meeting the requirements in terms of compelling and compassionate factors. But Home Office caseworker also duty or also checking or at least say kase akola no ne best interest say ne mame ebetumi ahwe no ne mame ote krom ha betumi ahwe no anasa ne papa ote krom ha betumi ahwe no dia and maybe case where come here juma Home Office no say to me share sa akola no best interest because of section 55 of the Borders and Citizenship Immigration Act nti Home Office case where Kabiano has a duty to make sure say omo be share akola no best interest as primary omo share eno kwa but omo share sa akola no best interest as primary senya at least akola no so ebe to me enya asetina papa ebe to me aka say wabone bra. These are some of the factors that they look at, and of course call your application when so who here over to me actually say of course lawyer so able to me ashram na we to me about saying so ebe come over chrome her. It's also good to see a lawyer in regards to making an application like this, because and also simple sir. And in regards to maintenance, so we to me actually say of course meba no me to me ahwe no me ye adwuma kakra adwuma na me ye no ebia part time and I say full time. I'll be free or phone line also. My main fan no. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, lawyer.
Good morning. Patrick, what to say?
Yeah, me and Pacho say. Pacho, that's your program, and I say what?
Patrick, yeah, that's all, yeah.
Oh, okay. Come on, question me now. Come then, Bulaka.
Patrick, wait to me beside a question.
Okay, and also for so, good morning. Me inside over the other side. Pacho, friend me Joe.
Okay.
Now, when the madam for being a me become man, originally boy British, so no, we are 2.5 years. Now, this time around, no, Pesenka or switch it to 5-year route, or only English, no, finance section, maybe okay. Now, I'll say all year, no, as a form near the same, and show me the answer to say, like, or switch it. And you know, so there are different forms, you also, yeah, and I say, yeah, there is something I be all year around. Because also, so free 10-year route, a back. 5-year route.
5-year route, no so.
But on the back to tsunami,
Patrick, you me that's be in regards to application, no, say original ne ba no so and now odinya ne 2.5 there, and the same application form na. A very different application form say bia original ne yere so and I say original ne partner so and odinya ne 2.5 there, and the staff form no be different. But say akola no kwa na odinya sa 2.5 there, and the same form no and na obefele ofele form ni wi a say otumi kire say within the same form no why in English nti obeteke say we yan English certificate and I say momo the electronic reference amano, but in most cases omo be ma certificate nti eno no sa no na o kire say we yan certificates are at least a level A2. And then of course say application also as automate say of course say me ban na me gina so dinya ya metumi meet maintenance requirements. And so usually maintenance requirements no based on the fact say bia income support rate no more ma nkola any single parents e wo krom ha say me share me weekly salary and I say me share me salary na me no na me share senya me to me I divide within every week 69 and I say 68 pounds 60 no me babenya every week and I'm a single parent no so say me share me pay na at least me 74 pounds 40 no. Inti eno no sa no say ubetumi akire say wo pay no say wo rent ene wo council tax ni free ma ubenya sa income support rate there, and of course na wetumi emit sa income support and as a maintenance requirement na omo hwehwe. Inti say eno no sa no fele form ni wi a na omo etumi access say ni maintenance ni English any accommodation inti abia or to 1 bedroom but omo living room so ka ho inti say sa akola no kra mpo pese oba tena no ho kakra obenya baby ama akola no inti so betumi meet sa 3 requirements we ya and they omo betumi aswitch no akọ 5-year route no so obi Fred line no so biom inti hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Hello. Pacho Timika. Hello, Pacho Timika.
Hello, Pacho.
What's it?
I'm a song Pacho.
Okay. Pacho, Peter,
Okay.
what's him?
Oh, Lady, good morning.
Good morning.
Bitia Prophet also.
Good morning.
Oh, okay. Pacho, we start the same cascade in the Abari. I'm saying about them, Hano, Abino, or no, yeah, Jumana, only in plan of I'm sorry now. Born in the war, and say, ọ̀nà ọba no oníbìbí abàbẹ́mà no na ọwọ́ British book na sẹ ẹwọ sẹ nka akwadaa no ọmọdé ma no na ọmọdé di sẹ akwadaa no nya sẹ 3 months the next year nsa na ọmọdé bẹ ma no na mi nte biribi ase na mi pẹ sẹ mi fa mi out sẹ ọmọ ayẹ mmira fufuo bi a obi wu anaasẹ obi girlfriend wu a ẹno no eteki so. Mom be and the man I am a
It's all your British book straight away, ma Akolano.
A British book now, and Koyama Akolano, say I just said Akolani did a 3 months anchor. And sign our own register.
Because oh yeah, British books the Akolano time now you won't say oh cause nani papa British there. There's no time limit because usually meaning say during the beginning of the year no say your passport applications I won't catch out say a beche ABR unya response until ABR 8 weeks time, 10 weeks time. It was quite long into I think that was because of the coronavirus and workload into they were not able to meet the required standard time. And then even if you go on websites, so they will tell you, say, please allow for a period of 6 weeks for your passport because, of course, due to Nyama, ABA, almost they would make the passport ready within that time. And see, of course, I can see where ABA, they may not be able to go through that standard period of time, but maintain say almost say train Sakolani did 3 months now sana wait to me application for the passport no because the name I said the papa you're British they are and they automatically no Akolani wait to me apply for passport.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, that's part me mammy better than because still I'm from Akolani, you know, the person is funny out to keep there's any change that.
Oh, Debbie, ma Akolani or wait to me application and see. I hope so way November. That's it.
Okay, you're missing that one. I miss some.
Also, sir.
That's right.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, no.
Morning. Mpacho nyame na dom ye. Mpacho dom ye.
Nyame adom.
Eda nyame ase. Eda wase nti bebre ni bie to successful. Mapa modima. Ye ngani nsa ye wo UK ha. Nyame hia mo bebre.
Nyame nso nka mo ho be.
Yeah, when I'm not paying kind of bonnet, I can't person be sound because appeal now so your unique case now. How long does the Home Office know almost taking some more respond there? For instance, in the back one and I appeal na win. How long will it take for them to get in contact with us to bring the passport over here?
Okay, it's usually in the court of course the Home Office and case ni allow appeal now. Usually almost 28 days to appeal. Into say within that 28 days, no Home Office for no and appeal there. And there of course they should send confirmation and answer email say almost say akolana and answer nipa no eden the passports assign comma sa Accra Visa Center TLS contact phone. So Oman sending email there, then it is up to whoever made the application to then send them an email say of course the winning case no, but yente say why appeal. Into because yente say why appeal ninti ye pese ye sure say dabe na mo de sa email no beba na ye to me the passport no akomo. Into once that has been done, then of course na we expect to say omo be send the email say omo fa passport no enkoma Accra Visa Center for no. So omo de koma omo it also takes another processing time. Instead no so no, it may take about 12 weeks for them to also give the passport over to Nipa no Ghana into ABA omo be send the message and also omo be send the email say passport now you ready into file passport. Instead no no it is a process. It's not as simple as it is, but so when you have good case worker within that time, no, at least over to me in your response. But it's so they are not chena I'm sure, of course, obi when it does no so when you far we no case now over case my send the email na me fa yemfa passport no fa my TLS contact for no. But if Obi to say lawyer na EMA would then he can also write to them and then find out when they'll be sending that email.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Pacho, my answer question now and I say okay.
Pacho, I answer question me that's into baby.
And that's in your yo into your main count. Bye. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning, Auntie Eunice.
Hello, good morning.
Auntie Eunice, you there? You are questioning Kakabin and Peter Visa.
Pacho.
No, Madame Kubi. Oni kaka na obishia ni owaasi omukita prefectural state owaasi na one no awo baako na opeso mo se plan di ofo bitimi ejina so nya me nkrata ni ni ya na
enti nipa kon na ono ne wo ye no ewo limited leave to remain. Into say nipa kono e limited leave to remain under your EU settlement scheme now. Assuming says nipa no on your EU ni ana into say you on your EU ni dia and say on your settled status which is ne afebo ansa na akola no krampo betumi enya bibi say on your ne afebo ni wi a na wetumi aye British citizenship ama akola no nti eno no sana to say ma me ne twen ansa na akola no enya ne British citizenship.
Actually, my question.
That's it now. Yamin count home. Okay, nti lian share your Facebook viewers whether obi fufu so ewo questions and answer Bibia, omo pese ye answer. Omo say, Mami Efia say, hi, Lawyer Eunice, hope you're doing well. Nice to see you again. Oh, nice to see you too, Mami Efia. Even though I can't really see anything about you. It's Rama Nana Sewa say good morning. Yamin count home Rama Nana Sewa. Obi fufu so pese. Okay. Inti, mama 2 seconds na yen way so.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF Solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP, just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.
Okay, your viewers, so I say for this short break. You better quick updates. You about 10:30 into you better your updates no na your the program no so about a in regards to your updates. Debbie Biara, I think say in Crawford, almost you know, ebia almost ebusia for ewo chrome ha into I'm still now more drain say to me aba UK chrome ha abetina. Unfortunately, no, because of the fact that UK a free EU nim, which was on the 31st of December 2020 na apahono by 11 p.m. say when to me ambe rem dia. Unfortunately, we EU ni crampoa. So to me apply for visa answer na over to me abetina a chrome ha. I've had instances where in for aba after the 1st of January 2021 on my EU settlement scheme applications on my refuse applications no because of the fact that on my to me and stress and now on to chrome ha by the 31st of December into say na unia sitna unishia to me stress and now uba chrome ha before the 31st of December there then unfortunately to me ends na a chrome ha sa obaya obia your friend illegal immigrants ewo chrome ha even though we are EU ni crampo no no emfa ho to me enye EU settlement scheme no because of the fact that ebia unni asetna call general line so mama fano. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Lawyer Eunice.
Good morning, Patron, what you saying?
Namiado me huye. Actually, person me busa question kakra.
Patrio.
Me patron me question ne say na me was ambrano and amaji indefinite. Ba na me ba wodi 9 years e ka ho nti ono so je indefinite. Enti me person me bisa say or 9 na oba bedi 10 no. Let me with indefinite no or bet me a British passport straight away.
Okay. In this case, no, this is like a section 31 application. And so we can say me bano onya di 10, but me nya afebon no, me person me register me bano as British because under the age of 10, ebia on sheda ND 10. But a chrome high in chrome. Meme wo afebon no ne sisters and ne brothers wo afebon and some more British book ni bi. Enti me pese Secretary of State no o use ne discretion enti ye can say or obey use ne pe. Enti of course on share the fact say akola no ne busuafo wo indefinite and some more British book na akola so eco school wa ha uncle baby because chrome hana onim say no chrome inti Secretary of State no so share sanyama we na at least under section 31 no me ba no so embeye British ni bi because we dey under 18 and circumstances no ye such that yen na yet chrome ha yen ko baby ne busiafo no bia yet chrome ha ne school life ne bibia e wo chrome ha nti eno no sa no na o ka che home office for no say because of winning and of course share. And because akola no so under 13 also, there's no residence requirements. And say share sanyama wina to me Emma akola no British citizenship. And so wait there application for registration. Into a form MN1. Into application no na what you say home office for no so ebe to me ama akola no afebo no so. Na pacho what kasa no wo there.
1 year no be do February.
Oh, okay. And of course.
But already 10 April. Intimate China on the 10. I mean register no as British and I say minfa indefinite way no.
Indefinite leave. So of course, can say already 10 April way over to me and also actually I'm with the 10 because April way na already 10. Into a coin and wabi sa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm a prime. I'm in sure.
Okay. Into now me can afa ye EU for mo pesa mo tina krom ha because I've had instances where uncomfort into me interest of course now mo ti hanom before 31st of December and say and no sano na Home Secretary and I say case workers are more ejuma Emma Home Office no ka say because want to interest na wo ha before the 31st ninsi you be refuse to application and of course this is messages that have been sent to your borderlines into so to kwan about UK Chrome ha na wonim so we EU need there and there patcho making sure say over on visits because mobile here documentation na say over visit na wa sign which ako back na be spend more than 6 months e wo krom ha nti mo make sure say mo ma mo ebusian form to EU no mu anasa mo ye EU for no so e beti ase because enye as easy as just coming na when you EU settled status so when to me and share omo ma sa pre-settled status and I say settled status na o hwehwe no into yensha and so. And then in regards to nkofa mote chrome ha ebia woni asetina and of course ebia you are thinking to yourself mean the papa we were friends mamfa ebeyeding. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Patron to say
Patron Yamiadum Patron sir.
Nyamiadum patron me
Okay. Patron bisa me bisa question.
Patron koso.
Me patron me bisa say me were child or British or 2 years old. Can be say me partner engineer so. Me come find you 2.5 me bisa say possible.
Okay, and so woba na oye British no, wo ne wo partner no na etibom enye wo partner ba.
The benye me partner ne ba.
Okay, into of course. Okay. Into say motibom na of course mo betumi a kire say partner bom for a period of 2 years. Na mo ye application no based on the fact say akola ne enye ne ba into wabeye to say ne stepchild. But Oshano, Abia or the local GP appointments or the local school or co-parents evenings nibi. And see, you per se, or papa so ejna sa kolawe so na ordinary in krata. Then of course, to me as our evidence is way na to me say akolano so British na or share akolano na mummy no so mutibumua. Then of course, to me age na akola so edinya ono so 2.5 ewo krom ha but of course I'm over here evidence to show say what now for that period of time which is the 2 years otherwise just a more worry.
Okay, I just say yeah I worry.
I either say what's not together for the 2 year period and I say what's na let's say what's not 6 months into 6 months no more worry into because of the fact say more worry into mujina way so and am dey application no me name say we be say question no Facebook ana
it I try.
Oh okay Mabel Okay. It is sanity. Yes. Want to mean share for that 2-year period there, and of course, not with me actually say moya worry for mutibum na ono social kola ni bi.
Let me patrol me cry indefinite me cry book.
Oh, okay. And so we cry indefinite.
Yes, and then a mommy banijana so did you book or no?
Okay. And so we cry indefinite now. They are still going to look at wo first. And see,
okay.
I'm sure say most of the time and say usually say obi out to chrome ha cry indefinite and also okra British citizenship e wo chrome ha na san nipa no ebetumi achre say because okra British citizenship and say indefinite wo chrome ha ebia ne partner na say ne area na say ne kunu epe say ogina ono so no na ode ye nkrata most of the time no say based on the fact that if you're money asset now some meet certain requirements either say omo betumi achire say omo wo eba and I say nipa no ye settled and I say ye British no betumi achire say owo ba under the age of 18 and nipa kono ye applicants no play role and I say play active role in a colony life and I say money bad and they say much say there will be insurmountable obstacles and I say and which ever say sa nipa no ye British no esan ko ukrom na ufri na but in your case akola already under 18 it won't be and if you can show say akola no akola already under 18 na sa partner no so play role in akola life no dear then of course obetumi age 9 also but they will give it to him on the partner route. It's not on the child. It is based on the child. On the partner. And see,
me any 18 because of say my winning to know. As I me 10 hours and so just to look after the child and
all he needs to show is that he is in a relationship with you and he plays an active role in a colonial life. And to say if he's in a relationship with you, there. Either say or chess or no what now for a period of 2 years. And I say waware ebi amontina together for that long, but more ya warrior into marriage certificate ni or play active role in a colonial life. And no normal person they are not looking at maintenance and I say the English language and I say the accommodation because a colonial thing which is EX1. Into so bet to me actually say or plays an active role in a colonial life and it will be unreasonable say a colonial so every few chrome had there and no so na omudi jina so ediama in see and immigration status and I say ne financial requirements and I say ne English or betumi meet because only be in see na almost a colonial.
Okay. Yeah, Matthias Laya. Me da say
that's a baby Mabel nyame kan ho.
Amen. Bye.
Bye. Hello? Okay. I think so. With free so. Yes, now me can affair me can maybe I'm I think so that I was talking about yes. Na me ka afaye obia ebia wabetena krom ha as an illegal immigrant into ebia for instance owabe you see NHS system no ewo krom ha and you are hoping to use the NHS system because of the fact say uhiambwa why are yeah time no kwapa it's we be your last caller hello.
Oh, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Patron, Lawyer Eunice, is this the live program?
Patron, what to say?
Radia Dome, who ye da also eh?
Yamia don't patron, so we.
Me Patron, me question they say, me wa ba we di 15 years. Na ni papa ye German ni EU. Eni na obetna kromo ha no no ni saka Nisaka permanent stay and Samewo Aqualano. Is it possible to be to me apply a British passport amano director now? And answer was say naturalization answer.
Okay, so wait to me actually say ne papa enya ne settled status ana. Pasha so ne papa ye EU ni.
Hello?
Pasha what say?
Pasha I Germany.
Aha. Nti when ya ne settled status.
When you settled status and Samewo Abofrano. But currently now Colado or German passport. Okay. But now me person me British passport Emma Aqualano.
Of course, it is onya ne permanent residence and sana wo Aqualane dia. Then all you need to show ne say Aqualane papa when you ne permanent residence ebia almost the blue book be and a man because usually before 2019 or usually normal Emma blue book be normal trust so permanent.
I was a book no.
Okay, into now oh yeah passport application what the papa ne passport and then blue card no ebeka ho actually say when you are a permanent residence ever chrome ha into na oh yeah application no ama akola no for British citizenship because yeah wo no ansana I mean yeah the permanent residence no my papa na ansana yeah wo akola no crampo into yeah passport application no ama akola no direct into yes obetumi aye application na ama akola no because automatically no or you're British because ne papa was settled status ever chrome ha.
Oh okay, oh that's good news.
Yes.
Thank you very much. God richly bless you.
Pacho also say I may encounter.
Yo, me that's it. Bye bye.
Bye. And to wait your last caller. Okay. I feel like me shall save you. Okay. And see, in regards to your updates, me kafa EU nationals and the fact says went to me. And Chester Namo to have before the 31st of December 2020 there and just mobile on visits keke say mobile visits now person na say otumi hwehwe ejuma and the no sa no some year application for visa to be able to stay in the UK into either say oh yeah application for skilled worker visa or a temporary worker visa. And I say, oh, person there into betumi meet requirements into student visa. Either you apply for these visas and I say oversign with Chrome. That is for EU nationals and I say after 31st December 2020. And then also in regards to Omote Chrome ha ebia sheda enya wasitena na yet afena o hwe kwan bi so a obetumi enya asetena and na wayare it's wo hia emboa wo hia treatment and care from the NHS system ewo Chrome ha. Of course the NHS is free into most people name say omo ko use NHS there and there omo be ma free health care into ebia wenya yare wo hia treatment we call GP no GP so me refer we call hospital into we call hospital treatment say ni say and and of course if you are looking at treatments now you are thinking to yourself oh and there's the omoka treatments no be lasted for 3 months and after 6 months they are end a quite warm and because of the fact that we hear such treatment nti cannot their own drain home. But so we obi a unkra nkrata ewo Chrome ha. Of course, because of the Immigration Act 2014 nti so what to Chrome ha na unya sitna NHS for no ebe charge. They have a fee for other country nationals. In say no sano sa fee no because omunim say NHS ehia mboa nti that's fee na for other immigrants no it's exorbitant into endorse yiye nti ebia me a me cry live to remain and I say me a me cry British citizenship no ebia say me for that same treatment na omo be charge me ebia £100 per session but because wow wote krom ha woni nkrata woni asetina no ebia eno no that same treatment na omo de be ma wo no omo be charge o even more than me there no into ebia omo be charge o £250 for that session because omo list no so no o ye third country national woni asetina e wo krom ha. And of course this is in regards to the fact say your immigration rules SSR in should I say 2014 because of the Immigration Act of 2014 most of it was implemented in 2015 into so oye obia oni asetina unim say ukwaje treatment and ase ukwaje mbwaye and ase ukwo krampo wo NHS nmu a ye de ka ebebrel and sometimes a kana omudebe no because it's so huge ninti it is so difficult for obia oni asetina no to pay that debt because first of all no oni asetina secondly no so onye adwuma nti ebe den na wetumi etua sa eka no and it's so bad because of the fact say same fee na omo charge no omo charge you at such an extended rate sir womunim say wo ankasa no untumi entua and I see that even as part of your immigration rules no say would the car more than £500 almost say they see that as a suitability requirement and they may refuse the application but yenda yamiasi say most of us are the NHS cannot almost yes because most people are minimal ebia omo NHS mu omo de ekakrampo abram no ebia ekano ye over £2,000 because now omo ye adwuma nti obi na ebo omo obi na etua ekano £10 every month nti no sa no say omo de ka more than £500 but ye dan yami say omo refuse the application because almost they may into omo pay omo betumi refuse it but of course omo uses our discretion no because of the fact say nipa kro no your payment plan in kakra or de tua sa eka no but say uni obi a obetumi aboa o etua sa eka na dia and then na akoya asemfoforo because eno no sa no because onye wadwen say obetua aka nti so a crime be mkrampo say so we are on krata na omo be refuse because omo nim say o the NHS ka nti there's no way you betumi so ama o asetina bi e wo krom ha I just brought this up so that at least say wo ke bi wo ho a na at least obetumi enya obi a obetumi aboa o kakra na sa nipa no so etumi aboa because this was a recent case okay Nigerian case this year almost decided and never chrono crampo na ono de ye deport no crampo na okonya ya rare with the kidneys and of course ohia NHS a omode eka boom e de abre no of course onia sitina wo krom has say and say be den na wetia but at least wo bi na never chrono betumi aboa o kakranka na wetumi etua sa eka no dia and there na of course wo koye application bi na omo hwemu a omo etumi aka say oh okay because wo tia eka nan kakrankra ye behwem na yetumi ama asetina so ebo krom ha nti etiefo yes say at least ye betumi aboa yen crofo wonim obi a all through that same issue and I say obehia sa payment plan to be able to continue to live in the UK, for instance, because ABR and also air leave to remain application. And I say on also no because of the fact say afena or share quite be so the being assets nanti say at least or to me stress or tia a canon kakrankrana with me enya assets nebi ever chrome her. If the question back also on Facebook so me answer no no ntem na yetumi ewie edwumede. It's Mabel say, please, I have a son who is based in the UK and have a British passport. I'm living in Ghana. Is there any process that I can file through him? And so in Nebano has British passport and on not say Ghana. A better day now to me abakrom ha. So what share your immigration rules that say uba a British na upesa ujina uba no so eden yankrata wa krom ha. E so what share say uba no or to krom ha. Enti say uba no u kasa oya British no or to Ghana with wodia. And unfortunately want to me any application for leave to enter unless ube to me actually say akolano or to krom ha and I say akolano uba visit into one akolano and eba visit because wabe visit ninti akolana odene eba visit no or you're British but what show your immigration rules that almost say oh person we application for leave to remain there and there so to me say only visit visa and I say only a citizen which is less than 6 months to remain in the UK. And to just a war chamber with 6 months no a paho and I say visit visa no a trim answer na over to me a application no relying and I say depending on wo bana or say or your British no. And so of course say to me ene ubano every dia and the over to me a application no based on ubano. And see maybe I hope say I've answered your question. And see yebeja edwumedie no ewo ha meda muni na ase ye Facebook viewers ye YouTube viewers ye BW radio listeners no so meda muni na ase say mama edwumedie so akọ ne koyan so boko muni na so afishapa dasende yabesan Asia biom yamenka munina bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF Solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP, just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.